Let's discuss now the managing sleep anxiety with the CBTI. Sleep anxiety is a big issue for many people, like we just discussed. How does the CBTI help manage this anxiety that comes with the worrying about sleep?
Basically, as I told you before, we in the model of DBT, we have like three different components. We have the situation, we have the let's say the thought, and we have the emotion related with that. So when we are in a situation, in this case, let's say in bed or the sleep situation, we have thought related with that, and we have, as a consequence, let's say some emotions too. So what is the main purpose of the, let's say, CBTI therapy is to interrupt the cycle of I am in a bad situation, I'm not sleeping, so I'm gonna be bad tomorrow, which is the thought, and then I'm frightened or fearful about what is gonna happen tomorrow. So you try to disconnect this to reduce this activation. So what is the main principle to interrupt the way of thinking? These racing thoughts that are producing these problems have to be interrupted to avoid this reaction of fear, which at the end produces an activation of the nervous system. So that's exactly what you try to do. So in the therapeutical, let's say, approach that we use, we try first to recognize that we have it. Second, to recognize exactly the idea that is producing that, because it's really hard. You don't notice, except that you start to think about that. And the third, of course, is to, let's say, to intervene with techniques that we have to stop that. And of course, this is related to with the sleep hygienes that we talked about before. The environment has to change. You have to promote, and you have to relate also all, let's say, the factor of the sleep plus the bed plus the the darkness plus the temperature, no taking caffeine, etc., to have like the perfect moment to go to bed.